Good morning, students. Today we discuss here terminology used by the Mendel. Okay. Now, first is here monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. When we cross between two plants, taking one contrasting character, that is called monohybrid cross. Okay. For example, here length of stem. Second is dihybrid cross. When we cross between same type of definition, but here one instead of one this place we use two. Okay, when we cross between the two plant, taking two contrasting character, okay, called dihybrid cross. For example, color of pod and shape of pod, these are the two contrasting character, color of pod and shape of pod. Okay. Now we come phenotype. Phenotype word first discovered by the Johnson, and the character which is appear during the cross in F1 generation. The character which is appear during the cross in F1 generation is called the phenotype. Okay, and genotype. Genotype means genetic configuration of an organism is called genotype. Genetic configuration of an organism is called genotype. So we discuss here, for example, phenotype and genotype. When Mendel cross between the plant, taking one character, length of stem, then in F1 generation, the character which is appear like capital T, in the F1 generation is capital T and small t, but in the F2 generation there are three alleles these characters show. So these are the genotype, and they indicate, but these two indicate here tall plant. So but letters are here different, one capital, one is small, one this place capital T and capital T, that both are indicate here tallness character of the plant. So tallness is the phenotype and genetic makeup is different. So genotype are the capital T and capital T, small t, capital T, capital T. Okay. Next here, gene. Gene is the smallest segment of DNA. Many times asked the question, what is gene? Gene is the smallest segment of DNA, and gene consists genetic information. Therefore, it carries genetic information from one generation to the another generation. Okay, and gene is also called the basic unit of heredity. Okay, now we come on the next. In genome. What is genome? Entire genome. Genome means total gene of the body. So entire genome of an organism is called the genome. Entire gene. Here is wrong. Entire gene of an organism is called the genome. Okay. Now we next here alleles. Alleles are the alternative form of genes. Alternative form of genes is called the alleles. Alleles are the short form of. We also can say alleles are the short form for the allelomorph. For example, length of the plant we represented by capital T and small t. So these are the alleles. Okay, alleles are the short form of alleloform. For example, length of stem we represented by capital T and small t. Capital T represent the tallness of the plant and small t represent the dwarfness of the plant. And also alleles of a character occupy same locus on the homologous chromosome. It means same characters of alleles locate on a same place, homologous. For example, if this is the chromosome, two homologous chromosome. So length of stem, one alleles locate this place, second alleles this place, yani same loci locate. These genes locate on a same loci. Okay, alleles of a character occupy the same locus on the homologous. These are the homologous kind, and characters alleles of a character locate on a same locus. Okay, hence therefore in a diploid cell cannot be more than two alleles for a character. Means these characters cannot be more than two. For example, for one character only two alleles responsible. Two alleles. These are the two alleles are responsible for the only one character. In a haploid cell, only one allele. In a haploid cell, only one allele is responsible of character. Very important line here. In a haploid cell, only one allele is responsible for the character, but in a diploid cell, two alleles are responsible for a one character. Now we next topic here, hybridization. The cross or sexual reproduction between the two desired organisms is called the hybridization. The sexual reproduction between the two desired organisms is called the hybridization. Okay, next is the reciprocal means these involve two crosses that consider the similar character but with the reverse sexes. Okay, these involve two crosses that considered similar character but with the reverse sexes. Suppose in first cross A is male and B is female, then its reciprocal cross would be included A as a female and B as a male. Okay, now remaining terminology we next day explain to you. Okay.